You've understood the text but don't feel like writing a summary. No problem. Enduri gives you examples of how to present what you've learned in a new and creative way. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Be creative. Turn the key aspects of the text into a creative piece. Parts of your speech become a rap. The life of bees turns into a short film. And world religions into a collage. 2. Explain your art. Use the "I used to think" approach. I used to think. Now I think. My work shows. 3. Share your art with your classmates.